This is not simply a bean. And this is not simply a coffee machine. Experience the perfect coffee taste, freshly ground, and rich in flavors with an eco-design coffee machine. KRUPS presents Evidence Eco-Design. Designed to reduce the use of our natural resources. With 62% recycled plastic and recyclable up to 90%. Designed to last with a 10-year repairable product. Enjoy all your coffee moments thanks to the intuitive interface and high level of personalization. The perfect grinding at the ideal temperature for mastered aroma extraction. And wide selection of drinks according to your moods. Evidence Eco-Design. Reduced impact. Perfect coffee taste.